Hello everyone and welcome back to this new Angular video. So whenever we start the new development of any web application, so first step we have to decide that which technology we have to use for this development. So if we are talking the current time, so in current time all the people talking about the Angular means what is Angular and how we can use right, how to integrate the Angular application to our ASP.NET Core framework, right? So Angular is the most powerful framework in the current time. So basically why it's popular, because its abilities, it's a many features that we have to use for the development. Angular has basically everything required to the web application, right? Everything we have in our Angular framework, right? So uh, let's talk about the Angular. So Angular is a an application development platform, right? So it's application development platform or framework. So it means the this platform is help us to build and develop the application. So which type of application we can develop? There are several type of application that we build by the Angular, or build or using by the Angular. But as of now, just take an example. This is a software development platform, and that is helps to use the build several type of application. Angular is complete framework in itself, right? Angular is complete framework in itself. Angular is basically a JavaScript side framework. It means Angular is just a library, right? And Angular is written on the top of the TypeScript. It's called superset of JavaScript, right? So Angular is complete framework itself, and it's if we were doing to develop our application by using the Angular framework, then it is mandatory to use any other library or framework, right? But it would be very helpful if you are going to use the some other library. For example, to make better design of our Angular application, we can use Bootstrap, CSS, right? This kind of library we can use in our Angular framework. Similarly, if you want to add some more functionality to my application, then I can definitely use the third party library. But what I can say is not a mandatory to use any third party library. But if you have required to use any kind of library, so you have to use this, right? So if you are completely new to software development, then in the beginning you are having JavaScript. Now on top of JavaScript, you have written TypeScript, right? So you can Angular is work as a single page application. Mostly we have used for single page application, and Angular is a front end application development framework. So thank you for today.